Starting with a large slab of marble and chipping away everything that isn't a high quality Land Cruiser. Quick little update, it's a few days later. I've been out of town, but my homie Noah's been working on the body of this thing. YouTube, it's another day. We have Noah out here grinding hard on the 62.
Man, go shoot the good side, you know?
He's pretty much done with the driver's side. Just has a nice thin, haven't started the A-pillars yet. Has a nice thin skim coat of Bondo that will be undetectable under paint and primer. The back looks done too, pretty much. So yeah, just gotta hit the A-pillars and passenger side, and then the 62 can be sprayed, at least the top part.
So we're currently just huffing the fumes of this. There's no other purpose for this than huffing the fumes. I'm being serious.
That's Noah. He's our lead body tech here at Doublewrench, and we are working on the, well, he is working on the passenger side of the FJ62. Pretty much gave him free reign.
Yeah.
He likes the fumes the most.
Yeah, hopefully this turns out good, you know.
He's chopping it up right now.
I have no idea what I'm doing, just so anyone knows.
So if he can do it, you can.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've never done this in my life.
Well, there we go. So we'll get back to you when we're slathering this goop on this beautiful, about to be freshly restored vehicle.
Freshly restored.
Oh, coming soon. Here we go. Ah, goop it. There we go. Hell yeah, brother.
Hold on.
Wow. Filling up that crack.
Please scream at me in the comment section for doing it wrong.
Is that?
I have no idea
wrong.
what I'm doing.
That's correct.
I literally have no idea what I'm doing.
The people watching this are going to be learning, Noah. Watching someone who also doesn't know.
This is the big one. Probably should use more.
If we can do it, anyone can. Just kidding. We're special. We're built different. Built different. Wow. Cool. There she is. Alrighty, it's a couple days later. A few more hours have been poured into this thing. Roof's looking like a smooth, cohesive unit now. Just working on that. Well, I haven't touched that yet. But working on this corner. Needs some more Bondo and smoothing, but going great. It actually didn't need much. That's not very deep. And it needs to be taken down right here and some added here, but yep, a little more progress. Just adding Bondo, sanding, repeat. Alright YouTube, it's weeks after my last update. I've been out of town, but I came back. Noah hooked it up with the bodywork. All I did was continue adding Bondo, continue sanding it down, and then he sprayed primer and paint, sanded. Like, look at it. You couldn't notice, this is an AutoZone rattle can paint, but it matches what the other paint would be if it wasn't faded, like, extremely well. The rear, you cannot tell anything has been touched. This side, you really can't tell either. Look at that, smooth as a baby. This is some discoloration because this is like the stock paint, but find me the line where the other paint starts. You can't. This? Are you kidding me? This literally, you can't tell anything has been done, except this is trimmed away a little bit, but that's gonna be replaced when the window is. But anyways, Noah killed it. That's how you rust repair Land Cruiser, you know? Just cut metal out, weld metal in, then body work it.
Bang my line.
Bang Noah's line for all your Land Cruiser rust
Houston
repair needs.
area.
For sure.
Or fly me out.
Doublewrench, or fly him out to LA.
Wherever.
You know, whatever. But there we have it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's your take on it, Alex? Good?
Fantastic.
Bad?
I think it looks amazing.
It looks amazing. This is Noah's first time touching Bondo, so yeah.
And paint.
So if he can do it, you can too.
And color sanding, or wet sanding, and buffing, all of that.
All of that.
I think the moral of the story is don't be scared to do stuff on your rigs that's mildly intimidating. It's
Yeah.
not a big deal.
Yeah, just do it. Just, and if you don't want to just do it, then send it to us and pay us thousands of dollars.
Yeah, you can just call us.
$40,000 minimum.
Just bang Doublewrench up. Oh yeah, and will we document that? There are already a lot of Noiko videos.
Yeah, that's true.
But
We'll see. Whatever.
Doublewrench. Come on.
Doublewrench, come on. All right, I'll document it. I should have documented the trip I was just on, dude. That would have been sick.
Yeah, that would have been rad.
Damn. Well,
Insert some clips and photos in the editing after this.
for sure, yeah. All right, I'll give you all
some flashbacks.
some flashbacks to King of Hammers. While Noah was here slaving away.
Some acid damage flashbacks.
Something like that in the desert. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.